What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 3 of the Honda Civic ekk2 k20a2 crate swap. And today I pretty much got the crate, and we got the swap, the subframe, and getting all the parts ready so I can pretty much strap it down and get ready to ship it out. This video today is going to be pretty much about the immobilizer wiring. A lot of people hit me up on it and want to know exactly what I'm talking about, so I'm making this video pretty much for that particular reason. Also, I just wanted to show you guys that the motor is on the crate and it's pretty much ready. If anybody does want to swap like this and just want everything to be put together, like literally everything, and don't have to worry about ordering extra stuff, I can do that for you. Also, if you're doing an automatic car and you want to go stick, I can provide the pedals and all the parts you need for that as well, and guide you to the wiring as well, because there's some things you do have to do on automatic chassis in order for the car to start and for the key not to lock up. So anyways, yeah, this is a A2 swap. So there's other swaps you can get as well. There's Z3 swaps, there's Z1 swaps. The Z3 is out of the 06 to 11 SI, and then the Z1 is the 0506 RSX Type S engine swap. They have the Type R cam, and they come with like a 4.7 final drive, so quicker gear ratio, a little bit more power. They're a little bit harder to find too and more expensive. So are the Z3s, because they actually come with LSD, Type R LSD stock. So anyways, other than that, yeah, if you are looking for a swap, you can hit me up on here, or you can hit me up on my Gmail, which is honda.mike1988@gmail.com, and you can hit me up on Instagram, which is rarewitted_. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and start getting this ready. We'll get the ECU and the key and the conversion harness, because the conversion harness, when you're doing a swap, doesn't actually come with the pin. So what we'll do is show you how to repin it, and then show the power of the ground, and that's pretty much it. It's literally just 2 wires you can actually twine together, because they're just power. And then you ground one to the chassis, and the other one just going to go into the actual ECU E-plug, which I'll show you guys in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting everything ready, and then we'll come back. Alright, so we're back now, and now I can show you exactly what you need for the actual immobilizer wiring when you're running stock ECU. So we have stock Type S ECU, we have our conversion harness, we have our key, and our immobilizer. So you have to have a matching key and immobilizer with ECU. All 3 of them must be together, or your car will not start. So let's start with the wiring. It's pretty simple. You start with this brown wire right here. That's just your ground. So you can just tap that to anything on your chassis, and that'll be grounded. We have our red with blue wire. That's going to be the wire signal for the immobilizer. And then we have red and white, and yellow black. Those 2 are going to be power. So I tied these 2 together. The 3 in the center you're not going to use, just communication and 2 dash lights. The 2 outer ones are going to be used, so just 4 wires. But these 2 are tapped together, so it's even simpler with 3 wires. So the green wire is going to be the ground. This is going to be our power. We can tap that to the basically you could tap it to the engine harness or any power source. So you just have to T-tap into that, and you have power. And then the last thing is actually just wiring the red blue wire into your E-plug. They don't come on your conversion harness with this wire, so you do have to tap it in. You have to kind of lift this clip up in order to actually repin it in there, or it won't go in. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's really simple. If you are using like your stock conversion harness, if you made your own conversion harness from the actual plug, you'll probably already have that wire sticking out, so you might not have to worry about it. But anybody who's doing it with the conversion harness, this is just to show you guys how to do it with stock factory, how to run your stock ECU until you go Honda or K Pro, K Tuner, AEM, whichever system you're going to run. So other than that, if you haven't, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video.